All right, guys, let's take a look at the problem that you just tried. Let's go over it together. So it says you go to the movies with a group of friends. You purchase a ticket for $12.50. That looks important, so I'm going to circle it. Okay, and a $7 popcorn for each of your friends. And I'm going to double underline this word each because I know each is a nice indicator of where my variable is going to be. Your total is also important, okay, was $33.50. How many friends did you go with? Okay, so we know we went with a group of friends. It doesn't tell us specifically how many friends. That's what we're going to try to figure out based on what we purchased at this movie theater. The first thing I'm going to notice is that I just purchased my own ticket. I didn't purchase for anyone else, okay? So the $12.50 is part of the total. All right, but it doesn't change. It's just $12.50. That's just a constant that I bought, okay? Now, I also bought my popcorn for my friends. I know that's gonna also be part of the total, and so I'm adding that up. I'm adding up the tickets that I purchased plus all the popcorns. If I add those up, it has to equal the total, and we know the total is $33.50. So this is kind of the way that I think through these problems when I'm creating an equation, okay? You will get better and better at this when you practice it more and more, okay? So I have my $12.50, that's my ticket. My $33.50 is the total. Now, what else did I purchase? I purchased $7 for each of my friends, okay? I don't know how many friends there are, so that's my unknown. If I don't know how many friends there are, I need to make that my unknown. I'm gonna call it F. So F is my unknown, that's how many friends there are, and I know that I spent $7 on each of those friends. Okay, so again, the more you work on these, the better you're gonna get at them. But let's go ahead and make our do undo. Okay, so do is what's done to the variable, undo is how we are going to solve for the variable. Okay, the first thing that happened is it multiplied by $7, okay, and then we added $12.50. So on my undo column, to undo adding $12.50, I'm going to subtract $12.50, and then to undo multiplying by 7, I'm going to divide by 7. Again, very typical stuff there for solving equations. Okay, so let's get it done. First thing I'm going to do, remember I'm going from bottom to top, so I'm starting with this first, okay, is subtract $12.50. So I'm going to do that to both sides. Minus $12.50. Use your Desmos calculator if you need to. Okay, these cancel out because they're opposites. This comes down here. Sorry for that really crazy looking F. Don't forget your equal sign here. Okay, the 50 cents both cancel each other out because 50 minus 50 is 0. All right, so I know I'm going to get a whole number here. 33 take away 12. Let's see. Well, if I had 13 take away 12, it would be 10. So what do we get here? 1 and 2, 21. Sorry, that would be 20. So we got $21 here. Again, use your Desmos calculator. Okay. Now we are dividing by 7 because that was the second step we had here. So divide by 7 on both sides. Make sure you're doing it on both sides so that we keep the equation balanced. And F in this case is going to equal 3. Remember, this is not sufficient enough for the answer. This is great work. That means that we know what our answer is, but we have to actually state it. So in our answer statement, we are going to say that we brought 3 friends to the movie. And that is our answer. Okay. All right. Hope this helped, and good luck on the homework.